But speaking of sustainability, that brings us to our next topic,
Okay.
which moves from the chef station to the scientist's lab. Antonio, what if I told you that the protein in your next meal might be made, quite literally, from thin air?
From air? Sophia, what does this mean? This sounds like science fiction.
It was, but it isn't anymore. A Finnish company called Solar Foods has developed a protein powder named Soline. They use microbes in a fermenter. You can think of it like a brewery, but instead of feeding yeast sugar to make beer,
Okay.
they feed these single-cell organisms CO2 from the air, plus hydrogen and mineral nutrients, to create a complete protein.
Unglaublich. It takes agriculture completely out of the equation. No land, no rain, no seasons. It is a big idea for my chef brain to process. Is this just something for the big companies, the Nestlés and Unilevers of the world?
For now, the investment in application is at the corporate level, yes. But the entire goal is scalability and cost reduction. Independent projections suggest that within a decade, these fermentation-derived proteins could be significantly cheaper to produce than most animal proteins.
Cheaper. But what is the taste? For a chef, flavor is everything. That is the soul of the food.
And that is the most clever part. It's designed to be almost completely flavor neutral. So think of it, Antonio, not as a replacement for your beautiful farm-raised steak,
Right.
but as a brand new, highly functional ingredient, a tool. You could use this powder to enrich your fresh pasta dough with protein or create a perfectly silky vegan mousse, all without altering the core flavor you worked so hard to build.
Ah, genau. A tool, a new color for my palette. Das ist richtig. Not a replacement for my art, but an addition to it. Okay, now I am excited.